How to find your TikTok watch history. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can find your TikTok watch history quickly. So simply open up TikTok, and then after that from over here simply go to the main page of your profile, and then after that you will see your main dashboard. So from over here what I want you guys to do is to simply click on your profile from the bottom right, and then after that click on the three lines at the top right. After that, click on settings and privacy, and then from over here simply click on privacy. Now once you click on privacy, click on download your data. Now once you click on download your data, from over here wait for a few seconds, and then this page is gonna come up. So from over here simply click on request data. So when you request data, after that TikTok is gonna process your data, and it can take up to 4 days, and they will gather your watch history, they will gather your download history, they will gather every single thing that you have been doing with your profile. And then after 4 days you have to come back over here and click on download data, and then you guys can just simply download the data by simply clicking on download like I have over here, and it is going to start downloading. So guys, that is how easy it is to simply get your TikTok watch history in just a few seconds. You guys can also check your TikTok like history by coming onto your profile and clicking on this heart icon at the third side, and then you guys can just simply see your TikTok watch history as well. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.